Those birds are really, really hungry. They are in my backyard. There must be a lot of food in there. Out there. Those buckets are getting ready for the rain this afternoon. That's what it said. It's gonna be raining this afternoon. So all the buckets are ready for the rain. So that my plants are gonna be ecstatic, gonna be happy. Where's the other one? Where did the other one go? The dark bird. Oh yeah, it's back. I don't know what's on that part of the garden. I have no idea. All I know is they have found food in the backyard. Actually, I was having my lunch when I saw them, so of course I had to grab my phone, grab the camera, and record them, because this does not happen. What was that? That one is a bully. Yep, as I said, I don't see this every day, so I better record it. One time there were like over a dozen of them feeding in the yard, in the backyard. We were coming back from the church, and then when I looked, and I didn't have my phone with me, so I had to run inside and grab my phone, my camera. I love that. Where are they going? Oh, I'm not gonna be able to record them because they're gonna be behind the wall. Those cages are being used for the persimmon and other plants because the squirrels are just uncontrollable. Oh, where's the other one now? Maybe it found more food near the back porch, which is hidden behind this wall. This wall? Yeah. Oh, and they're going there. Oh, both of them. No more. I don't know why. I have to go back to my lunch. Oh, it flew. Yeah. That was beautiful. Look at my laundry. My placemats and my dish towels. And a rag. Not a rug, just a rag. And I see a squirrel way over there. Anyway, thank you very much everyone for watching. I had fun. Hope you had. Bye for now. Take care.